Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to CapCut for TikTok and YouTube Shorts editing, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open the app after installation is complete. On the welcome screen, you may see an option to create an account or log in. If you don't have an account, select the option to sign up. You can sign up using your email, phone number, or social media accounts. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the registration process. Once your account is created, log in using your credentials. Upon logging in, navigate to the main menu where you will find various editing options. Locate the subscription section, usually represented by a premium or subscription banner. Tap on this banner to view subscription plans offered by CapCut. Review the available plans, taking note of features included in each. Select the plan that best fits your editing needs. You will then be prompted to enter payment information. Fill in your credit card or other payment details as required. Double-check the information for accuracy to avoid any issues. After entering your payment information, confirm your subscription choice. Once confirmed, you should receive a notification indicating your subscription is active. Now you can access all premium features for TikTok and YouTube Shorts editing. Explore the tools and templates available to enhance your video editing experience. Keep the app updated to enjoy any new features or improvements. Use your new subscription to create high-quality content for your social media platforms. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.